Yo, what is up, guys? Wait. Yo, what is up, guys? Yo, what is up, guys? Today's video, I am going to be doing an oil change on my Honda Civic. You know, the name of the channel is Rascal's Garage, so why focus on just Infinity? Might as well focus on all my other cars. And you know, this is my little daily, little 1995 Honda Civic. My little daily. It's my mom's first ever car. It's been passed down, and she's kept it. It's her baby, so gotta take care of it. Have it on the jack. And yeah, just a quick maintenance oil change. You know, honestly, when you're doing an oil change, all you need is a set of tools, the oil filter, something to catch the oil, and some gloves, which I'm gonna get on right now. See, some gloves, just some regular, but yeah. So right here, it is a 17. This is where all the oil is at. Make sure you have the thing that's gonna collect all the oil. Let's see if I can do it with my left hand. I'm recording this with my right. I don't know how fast can I do it. I'm looking at the camera trying to do this when I should be looking at. Yep, got a little bit on the bolt on my hand. But yeah. And I just took the oil cap off just to help the flowage. I don't know. I remember I do that all the time. I don't know why. So now that they got drained, I have to take the oil filter off. And it's a little spooky because I have only done the oil filter on Infinities. Gotta unscrew it. Hopefully the shop didn't tighten it crazy, but let's see. Took off the oil filter, which sucked, but got it. I'm gonna show you. I used this tool that was in the garage. We're putting the new filter on. A little dirty, but this was my iPhone because it was easy in my pocket and I want to get the camera. But yeah, putting this oil filter on. See it. See, they say to put a little oil on it. I know they always say to put new oil, but what's the difference between a little bit of old oil, a little bit up? These angles, I don't know how these Chris Fix guys be. It's supposed to be hand tight. There you go. That's the tightest I could do it. So I got the oil cap off. I recorded it on my phone, and now I'm gonna show you. We're gonna put in the oil. The Honda Civic right here is a 1995. It takes 3.5 liters. I don't have an oil filter, but this is a dope little trick I learned from my boy Oscar. I did it about 2 years ago. I'm pretty sure a lot of people know about it. But a little water bottle, you just cut the water bottle and you can literally pour the oil right there. It's easier. So I'm recording with the camera. I usually would do it there if I'm lazy or if I don't really care to get dirty, but I'm recording with the camera, so I might as well pour it there. Oh no. So before I turn the car on, might as well check it. So I checked it and probably has a little old oil mixed in, but it's perfectly at the top circle. At the high, it's perfectly there. Can't really see it, but it's right there, see? Start the car up. Yep, perfect. But yeah, that was a quick video from me. Thank you for watching. Let's see if I got other cars I can do stuff on, but this is the one I drive most of the time, and the Infinity is still getting worked on. But yeah, thanks for watching, and peace.